So what is happening right now here in price action of Bitcoin? Are we finally going to see this breakout that we've been waiting since a couple of days? Because if you look at the price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame, you can see, guys, after this Bollinger Band squeeze, price also broke the upper band, and upper band usually gets broken when the trend is preparing itself for this new impulsive movement. And now we are seeing this corrective movement type of scenario. But if you look here on the right hand side, if you look at this example, price started breaking it to the upside, also broke the upper band. And if you look at this movement, even though this was a corrective movement, this corrective movement was just a temporary corrective movement, and at the end the price still continued this rally here to the upside. So what I'm trying to show you here, if the price of Bitcoin is going to do another very similar movement just like I shown in an example, then we are expecting some sort of a movement, price coming back to retest some key line of support which you have here in the medium short term around 20,000 and the overall support around 19,600, which we are not allowed to break at any cost, because if we do see any sort of a corrective movement, we could still continue this rally here like this. But if we break the support around 20,000, then there is a very likely scenario that we are going to test the support also around 19,500, 19,600. So that's why we want the price in the medium short term to remain over 20,000 if we want to continue this impulsiveness. Because if we look here, this one example, double bottom 1 2 3 reversal pattern, right now this pullback what we are witnessing here could be a retest, a possible retest of this previous temporary resistance line. I mean, this line around 20,000, right, has actually rejected the price couple of times. So in this case, if the price of Bitcoin is going to show another corrective movement, we could be retesting this support around 20,000 before, right, before choosing a trend direction here like this. I mean, price getting attracted towards this previous temporary resistance line, testing that area and deciding what to do next. Because if this is a possible retest, then we are expecting this trend continuation here to happen like this. As soon as we break the resistance around 21,000, flip that into proper support, price after breaking the neckline even came back to retest it and then had this actual breakout type of scenario. So in our case, if this is a possible retest, then in the medium short term, we don't want this 20,000 support to be broken at any cost, because as long as we are going to remain over 20,000, this here could be a temporary pullback before price again starts showing another movement here like this. Because I just showed you with the previous example, in most of the cases the price has shown this corrective movement, but this corrective movement was just a temporary corrective movement, and then the price has started this impulsiveness. And what in case if the price fails to hold the support around 20,000 and also the support around 19,600? What to do in that case? Let me show you this one very interesting scenario also unfolding parallelly. Now, before I start talking about this one very interesting scenario also unfolding in a 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, please guys, if you haven't destroyed that like button, then do it right now, because a like is definitely going to boost the algorithm of this channel. But if you want to support me even further, a comment would be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price formation, what we are forming here, this is known as Adam and Eve bearish pattern. Yes, Adam and Eve bearish pattern usually forms during an uptrend, which indicates we have failed to break this previous temporary resistance into support, and since then the price of Bitcoin is showing this corrective movement. So if this is going to play out as Adam and Eve bearish pattern, just like as shown here in the example on the right hand side, you can see we could be getting gravitated around this neckline, and this neckline is also exactly around 20,000 area. Yes, this 20,000 also with this example should not be broken at any cost. So if we are going to break this 20,000 support line for Bitcoin, then this is going to trigger another sell-off like this. This being a left peak, right peak, price getting attracted towards the neckline around 20,000 and breaking the neckline means the trend here is more probably going to show a corrective movement here like this, and also invalidating all the bullish scenario which we have talked in my videos. So that's why guys, that's why all eyes right now are going to be around 20,000, because 20,000 in the medium short term is one very important line of support which you are not allowed to break. And if this is a retest of this previous temporary resistance line, then we are aware, guys, this trend has potential to continue this uptrend once we flip this 21,000 resistance into support. So 21,000 is one very important line of resistance which you have to break if you want to continue this impulsiveness. And in the medium short term, 20,000 support line is a line which we are not allowed to break, because breaking that line will form this perfect bearish Adam and Eve pattern and also a continuation here to the downside as soon as we break the neckline areas. And beside this, guys, what I also want to show you is this one example here. So guys, now before I switch the chart, I just want to aware you guys that we Crypto Anup community is taking part in this Phemex Traders Arena competition with the prize pool up to $750,000. So if you want to be part of my community, if you want to trade along with me, the link is provided in the description down below. And additional to this, guys, we are also getting the $4,050 bonus from Phemex, and from Bybit we also have $4,450 bonus. So if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the links to the exchanges and also this Phemex Traders Arena competition is provided in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. So we did talk about this ascending channel on my yesterday video, and I showed you guys this upper line has rejected the price couple of times, but in our case this upper line could be breaking out very soon. But now, since the price is showing this corrective movement, what to expect next? What I want you guys to understand, since we have already broken the support from this rising trend line, please be careful. We could be coming back to retest this neckline area one more time before choosing a trend direction like this. I mean, if the price of Bitcoin is going to show this corrective movement, then here in the medium short term, the 20,000 support could be retested before price again chooses an actual trend direction here like this, because we know if this is going to be a very similar scenario just like here from the past price action, then we are aware, guys, in most of the cases after getting rejection from this upper band, price usually gets attracted towards the lower area, you can see, or the lower line from this ascending channel. So this lower line, which is around 19,500, 19,600, is going to be our final support for Bitcoin, because we don't want this support also to be broken, because breaking this support means the price here was actually forming this bear flag. Yes, you heard that right. Once this support gets broken according to the bear flag, the price here could be starting a corrective movement which would bring the price around 15,000 to 16,000 range, and that is exactly what we want to avoid. So let's hope in the medium short term the price is going to remain of 20,000 and also break the resistance around 21,000, because doing that will turn the price very bullish. So this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not forget to destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.